Welcome. So a little while ago, I got a bunch of the marvelous RPers together to play a little game. The goal was to create a complete comprehensive review of the events of Chapter 1 of The Legends of Aurea. But there was a twist. Everyone could only say one word at a time before passing on to the next person to continue the sentence. Ending the sentence also counted as their turn. The results are questionable, comical, and a bit of a tongue twister. This is a video representation of that game, and only minorly edited for my sake. Enjoy! By no means should the following be considered canon. In the first chapter, there was Batooties, that belonged to the Wizard of Animarth, something like that. One day, a ship landed at Port Loon. This ship was called the Tempest Boat, and belonged to Captain Shortshot, who was named Leo, who was handsome. Not. He knew not he was about to discover a girl of mysteries. Oh man, did he realize that she was super mega foxy awesome hot. Sudden news alert. The crew did not realize that they were about to get attacked by bad people in allegiance to Rashid. Leo was about to seduce Gaia, but crew like Bedalia would stop him. Then the attack started, and Gaia decided to go spicy. Meanwhile, while fighting the evil Rashid, he proclaimed, "I am the evil spaghetti god." Leo and Rajan were not fighting. Instead, they were along away having tea. Zachariah was being vigilant by the guns, and guns with stuff, and the guns. The navigator's puppet birds were singing. They knew that Leo wasn't very smart or socially popular. And the cook was a person who enjoyed cooking frogs and/or marinated drugs. Kalia, who had an experience with both hands, would soon discover that he could summon things. But Dahlia, the musician, and the wizard would soon nap. Modrica died, sadly. Leo thought he could win, but he was wrong. Leo did end up winning, by default, because Rashid was born. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the recap video. Shout out to the amazing Dude Limely for giving me constant feedback through this project. Also, credit must go to all the amazing artists whose artwork I've used to help create this video. And finally, I have to thank everyone who is or has participated in this roleplay. The story we've developed and the world we've built together is greater and bigger than what I had dared hope for 2 years ago. You're all amazing, and I couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you, and here's to more awesome years in the future.